Hi everyone, my name is Nicole Huff, and for my capstone project I will be performing a natural resource inventory of Hoyt-Hall Preserve in Marshfield, Massachusetts. The partner I'm working with is Wildlands Trust, and the main contact I've been working with is Scott McFadden, who is the Director of Land Protection. Wildlands Trust is a regional land trust located in southeastern Massachusetts. They were founded in 1973, and since then they have protected over 8,500 acres and have public trails in 10 towns in Plymouth and Bristol County. The specific study area I'm working on is Hoyt-Hall Preserve, which is in Marshfield, Massachusetts. This area is not only just owned by Wildlands Trust, but also the town of Marshfield and the historic Winslow House Association. To the right is a map of this preserve. The evergreen portion is what is owned by Wildlands Trust. The lighter green-blue area is the town of Marshfield, and the light green area to the right is the historic Winslow House Association. I will only be conducting research on the portion that's owned by Wildlands Trust. I will be using multiple methods to perform the NRI, one of them being quadrant sampling. I will sample 10 16 by 16 foot quadrats throughout the public grounds, and plant and fungi will be inventoried and measured, as well as any insects observed. In addition to a field guide, the iNaturalist app will also be used for help with identifying organisms. The second method I will be using is camera trapping. I will use 2 trail cameras, and they will be hung at 2 areas on the property, one in the hardwood area and one location that's near a water source. I will keep these cameras up for about 6 weeks to collect enough data. The camera trapping is mainly for surveying for mammals in the area. Most of the times mammals will not be present when I'm inventorying or doing field work because they're very wary of humans. I will also be doing bird identification. I will be doing this using a binocular and field guide, as well as the Merlin bird identification app to help with any unknown birds through photos or calls. And lastly, I will be taking some soil samples. I will take 5 samples from the upland forest and 5 samples from the swamp marsh lowland forest. I will take the pH and soil moisture from each sample. And the expected results is a sufficient collection of mammals, birds, plants, and fungi that occupy the area of Hoyt-Hall Preserve in Marshfield, Massachusetts. This will better help Wildlands Trust understand where they stand conservation-wise and how they can better prepare the future for this area. Thank you.